For our bat, we'll be using some gray balloons. I know normally bats are black, but for visibility purposes, I thought gray would work better. It's easier to see when I'm working with. So we're going to try it and see what you think. I've got a gray 260, about 3 inches left uninflated on it, and a gray 160 with just about a ½ inch or so uninflated on it. We're going to start with the 260, starting at the nozzle end, twist about a 1 inch bubble, then twist about a ½ to 3/4 inch bubble, and make that into a pinch twist. Then we need another bubble the same size as this one, so about another 1 inch bubble there. And then we're going to take and make about a ½ inch bubble, and then also twist that into a pinch twist. Then we're going to take this nozzle and bring it up and twist it around that pinch twist to lock it into place. Now we need another bubble the same size as this one here, so about another 1 inch bubble. And then we're going to bring it back and twist it into this pinch twist on the other side here. That's the muzzle of our bat. This is the nose, this is the back of his head. Now we're going to make a little mini bear head. So make about a 1 inch bubble, then about a ½ inch bubble, and then make that into a pinch twist. Then about a 3/4 inch bubble. I'll usually make this one slightly smaller than that, not a lot. And then another ½ inch bubble. Make that into a pinch twist as well. And then we need one more bubble the same size as that one. And we're going to twist this into this pinch twist on the back of his head. I'll just wrap that around the muzzle to lock it into place. And there we have our bat's face. Now we're going to make his neck and body. Make about a 3/4 to 1 inch bubble, a ½ inch bubble, make this little ½ inch into a pinch twist, just like that. And we're going to make his body about 4 inches long, or 3 to 4 inches. So make the bubble, make a ½ inch bubble after that, make that into a pinch twist. Now we're going to go up with another bubble the same size as this, twist into that pinch twist, and come back down with another bubble the same size and twist into that pinch twist. So make your first bubble, twist around the pinch twist, your second bubble, and twist around the back pinch twist. What's left over becomes his tail, and there's his head up top. And that's our bat's body. Now we need to make his wings, so we're going to take our 160, and to make his foot we're going to twist our leg, twist off about a 2 to 3 inch bubble, and we're going to twist that into this pinch twist at the bottom. We'll go around once to lock it in place. Now we need to go to the end of it, and you saw how I just squeezed it, forcing it out to the end. We want another bubble the same size as that one there. And then twist that. And that pinch twist on the bottom as well. There's his other leg. That one came out a little shorter. Now we've got this loop here that's going to be his wings, so go up and find the middle of the loop, pinch it, and then just twist one of them to divide it into 2 equal bubbles. Oops. You want to try to get them even. There we go. And then bring that twist we just put in down to the base of his neck. And I'm going to wrap one wing around his head and that pinch twist to lock it into place. There's his wings. Uh-oh. We still end up with one shorter than the other. Oh well. Let's stretch it out a little bit. There we go. Now what you want to do is you're going to come up and find a point about just where it's starting to turn down. Pinch into that and twist that bubble off, and then come over here and measure the same on the other side and do the same thing, giving it 2 wings. Now we're going to give them a little bit of shape, like that. Draw your face, and there's your bat.